good, YouTube? It's your boy, STOREFRONT Square Photography, bring you back another video today. I must be lucky or something because look who I got back in. It's freaking Nikko, man. I must be lucky to get her out here twice in 1 year. So guys, I must be really lucky. As you can see, she's in this nice bright red dress. As you can see, bam, and it's kind of hitting at the go now. Actually, we're at go now. We're kind of hitting in the blue hour at this point in time. But I'm gonna be able to take advantage of her with a nice red dress. It's gonna hit her with this nice arc strip box, guys. I know I love. I'm gonna hit her with the Flashpoint SE, and since it's getting low light, I don't think we use a lot of power with this, and the shots are gonna be pretty easy. I'm gonna put her right in this hallway where it's nice and white so it can actually really bring her out because she's in the red, so it's really gonna bust her out. I'm gonna probably sit her right here for a few, try to take advantage of the sky right behind us, and that's pretty much about it, guys. Nikko, you wanna say anything else to the fine folks out here?
Now let's do this.
And of course, guys, if you wanna work with Nikko, all stuff is gonna be in the description box below. Of course, what popped on the screen by freaking ready to get to work? She's ready, guys. She's ready. Let's just get to work, man. Let's get to work. You're going too far.
Oh. Right here?
Bam, right here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take advantage of all that sky that we got left. All right, here we go. Gotta hurry up because we're losing this light so quick. I'm losing the light so quickly. Yeah, this is gonna be. Oh yeah, this is gonna be epic. Yeah, this is about to be epic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here we go. Test shot real quick. Yeah, we're good. Man, you gonna look. It's super dramatic, guys. The only reason why it's dramatic because I'm really trying to get advantage of that sky right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I'm super dramatic. You know, I don't never really do super dramatic shots like this. Very rarely nowadays. Yeah. Good job. We'll get a full body now. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. Yeah, these are solid. Yeah, you know I don't do really super dramatic shots anymore. But, you know, when it's called for, it's called for. Hold that for a couple, actually. There we go, 1, 2, and 3, yeah. Yeah, hold that. Man, I'm gonna show you these real quick, but hold it. Get super dramatic out in these piece.
Wow.
All right, guys, I'm out here shooting with the Flashpoint SE version with the Godox. I mean, not the Godox, that's not Godox, sorry about that, guys. But with the Glow Arc Curved Stripbox, which I love so much, shooting with the lovely Nikko. And I'm shooting with the Nikon Z8 and the 50mm, guys. As you can see right behind Nikko, look at that, this nice, beautiful sky, guys. I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna take advantage of this sky to get those photos with her right in it. Here we go.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, go ahead and cross your legs at the bottom like you was. Yeah, just like that one, that's the one I like. Here we go, guys. As you can see, my screen's really, really black, and that's just because I had to do that because I gotta take advantage of the sky. So I'm gonna let you see Nikko right here. As you can see, nice. Wait for the car, hold that pose. Wait for the car to move. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you these photos right here. Look at that. Fire, man. Just all this to just be able to take care of that sky back there, guys. Just really wanna take advantage of the sky. All right, guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to 500. I'm gonna bring up my ISO now because I necessarily ain't gonna try to take advantage of the sky because I'm in a lower spot.
Like this or like that?
I like that better. Yeah. Let me see here. I'm gonna bring up my ISO just a tad bit more because I'm really gonna try to even out everything now. So I'm gonna bring down my flash on lower power. What I'm really looking for is just to, give it a little boost down. All right, good, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the perfect. Yeah, these are really nice. Actually kind of glad that you suggested that. Yeah. Stay right there, I'm gonna shoot you from this angle. Come scoot a little bit more towards the edge. right there, and then really lift up the shoulders on that. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's actually really good. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah, it's really perfect, actually. Yeah, it's really perfect. Hang on. Hang on. All right, and damn it, goddamn car. All right, and yeah, I like that. Yeah, this shit right here is solid work. Yeah, I like that with the, hold up, no, the hell tilted like that. Stay right there. Stay just like that. Yeah, lean forward like you was, just like, yeah. Wait, I gotta wait for the cars now. Shit, goddamn cars. All right, now we're ready. Hang on. Gotta scoot this back just a tad bit. All right, now do that again. Lean forward just like that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Nico, let's get you standing. I think I want to take advantage of this. What you're right here, all I'm gonna do is just turn everything around. Just like this. Bam,
like this,
right there.
like this,
Come
or
back.
like that. Like this, or like
Come. Come a little closer, come up here, come over here. Actually, I'm gonna scoot you far back up here. Come up. Keep on coming. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is perfect actually. Coming in for 3/4 now. Yeah, this is perfect. Man, how did I know about how good this is gonna be? I don't know, Stan. How did you know?
Do you see the definition?
All right, let me switch lenses. Let's do this, dear. So I wanna go home and eat.
Same.
I know you. That's what I'm saying. I know you do too. So let's knock this out here. Let's get you back right there in that same positioning. Right there. Yeah. Perfect. Come. Take one step forward. Right there. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, hold that. No, hold that like that. Just gonna get a little closer on these. Yeah, I like this angle right here better. Yeah. Hold up, I just found the angle. What? Yeah, stay just like that, Nico, yeah. Oh, perfect. Hold up, not with that, hold up. Don't hurt him. Don't. Hold up, don't hurt him like that. Stay there, I want you to stay there, I want to see if I can squeeze you in, full body here. All right, yep, go ahead. Actually, like with your foot up like that. Get a little close to the light for me.
Here.
Gonna do it again. Don't fall, please.
I'm trying.
Do not fall, please.
Gotta need that light.
All right, I'm ready.
Is this you or me?
I don't know. I think it's me. I think it's mostly me, though, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have you just straight in front of here. Come all the way on that thing. Yeah, just like that, yeah. Want you all up on it. Get some 3/4, hang on, I gotta wait for that car to get out the way and I'll be ready. All right, ready. Yeah. Yeah, keep on going, just keep working it out, yeah. Dakota came out the desert on us.
You're making me laugh.
Nicole that came out the desert on us. Came out here killing this. Yeah, I love that. All right. All right, yep, here we go. Ain't gonna wait for the car. All right, I'm ready. Yep. Damn, Nicole's going through. Hold up, I got her confidence level to another level right now. She hit me with all types of shit. Look at me. Yeah, good job. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoy the work that Nicole and I done put in for you. Now, Nicole, how did you enjoy this whole experience today?
It was actually fun. We got a lot of great shots, I think.
Yeah, we did. Definitely with the red. The red, it was just where it was at.
Yeah, for sure.
It was definitely where it was at, guys. And I hope y'all enjoyed this, guys. We actually shot right in front of the Apple store. As you can see, guys, I don't know if y'all probably seen it, but I try to keep their stuff out of the way, even though I do use Apple products. But really, I like this whole entire atmosphere because it is like a big white thing. You know how Apple stores kind of be, they usually just kind of predominantly all white. And I thought it would actually work out with her red, just to make her pop. Obviously, to draw the attention on her, as you've seen the photos so far. And definitely, I like when I put on that 150, man, and hit her with right here in this angle too. Those are some pretty fire ones too. What do you think?
Agree.
Man, so that's about it, man, on this shoot, man. And of course, man, if you want to work with Nicole, stuff's gonna be in the description box below. Of course, what popped on the screen by fucking now. Nicole, you want to say anything else to these fine subscribers of ours?
No, well, thank you guys for watching. It was fun shooting again with you guys.
Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate that. And of course, if you want to like my work, please consider yourself subscribing. And till next video.
Yep.
Until next video, guys. Until the next time, guys. Peace, man.